Oh my exploding eggs. So many bloopers. Why did you just say that longer than before? Because we made four bloopers. First of all, an apple replaced an O. Secondly, we have a different language letter. Third, we have a fan-made letter in a TVO text. And fourth, we have another Coptic letter.